everyone, I am Maria Cristina Pascual, 21 years old, and you can call me Tin. I'm third year college at the Rizal University in the course of BS in Psychology. I currently live in 536 Calbag Street, Mandaluyong City. I graduated from Rizal University last 2021 with the strand of Arts and Design. Since high school, I have studied at JLU. Let's talk about my hobbies. Dancing is one of my favorite hobbies because I can express myself through dancing. It also gives me some productivity in my everyday routines. I used to join different competitions when I was in Rizal University Junior High School. When I'm in grade 9, I joined in dance competition and we got championship. This is when I'm grade 10 at cheer dance competition in our intrams. Also in Buwanong Wika, we got second places in poster making. And lastly, we got a championship at bulletin board in math day. When I'm turning grade 11, I joined Pep Squad training at JRU. Dancing has maintained my interest greatly since high school until I truly embrace this passion. It offers my physical being the energy it needs to be productive and increases my flexibility. Apart from my interest in psychology, I am also passionate by doing things in order for me to enjoy in life while in psychology field and also to share knowledge to everyone. I am interested in doing things that can grow me as a person. My heart feels perfectly peaceful when I bake. I adore baking cupcakes, brownies, cookies, cakes, and donuts. Next is arts. One of my most passionately held abilities is the arts. I find more strength in creativity. It provides me with a vibrancy and productivity in life that equivalent to a rainbow. Next is my family. These are my family. I have one sister. She is 29 years old. She has her own family. My dad is strict but he is a hard worker dad. He is my best dad because he gives us everything that we need. Lastly is my mom, the one who loves me unconditionally. She is always supporting me in all. I love her more than my life. And lastly, these are my friends since high school. I chose BS in Psychology because I want to continue what my mother desired. I want her to be happy while she is alive. I will do anything for her, even if it's too risky, just for her happiness. I am passionately hardworking and extremely responsible to face this battle in my life. And that's all. Thank you!